In this video, we're going to go over a couple of examples using the law of cosines. We've already showed you how to do an example with side angle side and side side side. We're just going to do a different example of both of those skills. So this is a triangle. It's not a right triangle. And we have two sides and the included angle. So we're calling that side angle side. You can't use the law of sines. You have to use what's called the law of cosines. We want to find lowercase n. So what we're going to do is take the square root of a whole bunch of stuff. This b and this c, those are just the side lengths. So 13 squared and 10 squared. We're going to subtract 2 times the same two numbers, 13 and 10. And we're going to multiply by the cosine of the angle that we have, that 88. That's your lowercase n. I know this looks like an H. I'm trying to make it look like an N. It's hard with this mouse. All right, so we're just going to type that in. I'm typing in second, and then I hit the x squared button so I get my square root. Type in 13 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 13 times 10. And if I reverse the 13 and 10, it wouldn't make a difference. Times cosine of 88. That gives me 16.12. That's how long this side is. In this next example, again, we're going to use the law of cosines because we're given 3 sides. We can't use the law of sines if we have 3 sides given. So the 3 sides go in these slots, and 2 of them go in those slots. The important thing is what goes first. If we want to find angle F, then lowercase f must be the first letter here. So if you want angle F, we're going to take the inverse cosine of some stuff. The lowercase f is 4. That number must come first. If it doesn't, you're actually finding a different angle than angle F. Now, the other numbers that you put in would be the 6 and the 8, and it doesn't matter what order you put those in. So we'll put 8 squared and 6 squared there. And we're going to subtract 2 times that same 8 and 6. This is a little more of a challenge to type in. So hit second, then hit cosine so you get your inverse. Double up your left parentheses. That way your numerator is enclosed in parentheses. We're going to type in 4 squared minus 8 squared minus 6 squared. And then we're dividing by, new parentheses for the denominator, negative 2 times 8 times 6. And that gives you 28.96. That's your angle measure.